Quick question for you. I'm going to give you two choices, and you have to pick one right now, no overthinking it. Option 1, I hand you $1 million, cash, today. Option 2, I give you a single penny, 1 cent, but I double it every single day for the next 30 days. Which one do you take? Almost everyone picks the million. It feels obvious. A penny is basically nothing. But if you picked the $1 million, you just made a $5 million mistake. Not a typo, 5 million. And the reason you'd make that exact mistake is the same reason most Americans earning 6 figures are still broke at 50. My name is Joey, and on this channel, I want to teach you how to save, invest, use, and grow your money so you can have more freedom and retire earlier without depending on the government. Subscribe to the channel and like this video.
Here's the thing. Your brain is not built for this kind of math. It's built for linear thinking. For I do one thing, I get one result. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. You save $50, you have $50 more. That's how your brain expects money to behave. Add, add, add. But money doesn't actually grow that way once you put it to work. It multiplies. And the human brain is famously, embarrassingly bad at predicting what multiplication looks like over time. There's actual research on this. People consistently underestimate exponential growth by orders of magnitude, whether it's a virus spreading, a rumor going viral, or a portfolio compounding. And here's what that costs you in real life. According to Fidelity's own retirement data, the average 401k balance for someone in their 20s is barely over $10,000. For someone in their 60s, it's a little over $200,000. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that makes sense. Older people have had more time to save. No, that's not what's happening. That's the math making you think it's about the savings. It's not. It's about the doubling.
The single biggest predictor of whether someone retires comfortably isn't how much they make. It's not even how much they save. It's how early they start. Because every single year you wait isn't just 1 year of missed contributions. It's 1 year of missed doublings, stacked on top of every doubling that was supposed to come after it. And that's the part nobody explains with a whiteboard. So let's actually do the math. Let's go back to that penny. Day 1, you've got 1 cent. Day 2, 2 cents. Day 3, 4 cents. Look at this pace. By day 10, after a full third of the month, you've doubled your money 9 separate times, and you're sitting on $5.12. $5. If you quit right there, you genuinely think this whole doubling thing was a joke. By day 20, 2/3 of the way through, you've got $5,242. Better, sure, but still nothing close to $1 million. If you were watching this happen in real time, you would be convinced, dead certain, that there's no way this penny turns into anything life-changing. And then the last 10 days happen. Day 25, $167,000. Day 27, $671,000. Day 29, $2.68 million. Day 30, the final day, $5,368,709.12. From 1 cent in 30 days. And over 90% of that entire fortune was built in the final 5 days alone. This is not a magic trick. This is literally how a 401k invested in an S&P 500 index fund works, just slower and over decades instead of days. The market has historically returned around 10% a year on average. Put $500 a month into that, starting at 25, and by 55, you're sitting on roughly $1.1 million. Wait until you're 35 to start that exact same $500 a month, just 10 years later. And by 55, you'll have around $380,000. Same monthly amount, same return. 1 decade of delay cost you over $700,000. That's your penny problem, just with a paycheck attached. Your brain craves evidence. It wants a receipt that says this decision is paying off. And compound growth refuses to issue that receipt early. So people quit. They stop their 401k contributions to buy a better car. They pause investing during a rough year instead of just staying the course. They see a coworker with a flashier lifestyle and assume that person is winning, when really, that coworker just spent their explosive growth phase before it ever had the chance to happen. The truly wealthy aren't smarter than you about money. In a lot of cases, they're not even better savers. They just didn't quit on day 18. They kept showing up to a number on a screen that wasn't moving, month after month, with zero proof it would ever pay off. And that, right there, is the entire skill. Not math skill, patience skill. So here's what you actually do with this. First, start now, with whatever amount feels almost embarrassingly small. The penny matters more than the million, because the penny has time on its side, and the million you start late doesn't. Open or max out contributions to whatever's available to you. A 401k match at work first, since that's free money, then a Roth IRA, then a simple low-cost S&P 500 index fund for anything beyond that.
Second, automate it. Set up the contribution so it leaves your account before you ever see it, because willpower is not a long-term investing strategy. Decisions made once on autopilot beat decisions you have to remake every single month. Third, every time you get a raise, increase your contribution percentage before your lifestyle has a chance to absorb it. That's how you avoid the $150,000 broke trap. You keep your doubling intact instead of upgrading your car. And fourth, give yourself permission to be bored. The boring middle is not a sign that it's not working. It is the entire mechanism working exactly as designed. Day 18 always looks like nothing. Day 30 always looks like a miracle. Stay until day 30, and then stay for the 30 after that.
Because in real investing terms, your day 30 isn't a month away. It's likely a decade or two away, and that's exactly why almost nobody makes it there. If this video changed how you think about your own timeline, hit subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down exactly how to calculate your own personal explosive growth date, the year your portfolio starts making more money than you do at your job. That number exists for you too, and most people never bother to calculate it. Like this video if you're committing to starting today, even with your own version of a penny. Drop your day one amount in the comments, no matter how small it feels. I'll see you in the next one.